Hello, this is Raj.
Second, what's the issue?
This is the result that I will present to the VIPC.
Okay.
So, according to the result, 59 respondents say they understand about the cybersecurity and the 58 not understand. So
we have only 59 responses, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Calvin, can you do one thing? Can you alter the data and you make just 99% of the respondents say they agree? So we don't need to conduct for 8,000 employees. Can you make it?
Because you order I follow.
Yeah, please do it. Thank you so much.
Hi, BITC. I'm just coming to you. This is the actual respondents data. Can you take this one and check with the company? Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hello, sir. This is the date I have got from the BITC company, and they have told me that the date analysis wrongly misprinted by the Miss Suresh. So it's basically fake survey. So I just want to inform you the matter.
Okay, this is a very serious misconduct. It is against our company values. So I will talk to the top board and bring this matter to domestic inquiry for further process.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, please have your seat. Okay, good day to everyone. So today's objective is to explore the issue regarding termination of Mr. Suresh, and also whether the charges of misrepresentation and serious misconduct are supported by evidence. So my name is Yamei and I will be the chairperson of today. So without further ado, please everyone introduce yourself, starting by Mr. Suresh.
Okay, thank you so much, Chairman, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Suresh Ramasamy, and I am the head Group Information Technology Security (GITS) of Hong Leong Bank Berhad, and I was under the probation period during my tenure. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Suresh. So now followed by attorney of Mr. Suresh.
Honorable Your Honor, I am Nur Akila, the attorney representing Mr. Suresh Ramasamy, the claimant in the case. We are here to address the company allegation of misconduct against my client, and I am committed to present a professional case, ensuring that the facts are examined fairly and justly, and I appreciate everyone's time and attention to this matter and look forward to a rigorous but respectful legal proceeding. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Akila. So now representative of the defendant, Hong Leong Bank Berhad.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. So my name is Sophie. I am the representative for Hong Leong Bank Berhad. So before we move further with our domestic inquiry, I would like to mention that the core values of this organization are honor, human resource, entrepreneurship, innovation, quality, progress, unity, and social responsibility. And our ethos is being digital at the core. So therefore, we can see how important technology is for this organization, hence why cybersecurity awareness is crucial among employees, and why misleading the information about it is a serious misconduct in this organization.
Thank you, Mr. Sufi, for explaining the background of Hong Leong Bank Berhad for us. So followed by attorney of Mr. Sufi.
So thank you for the chairman. So good morning, everyone. So I am represent as the attorney for the company. So we extend our appreciation for the emphasis the place on the employee feedback. So it is crucial to clarify that the company operate with a comprehensive and robust policy. So today our objective is to dispel any misrepresentations and underscore the earnings regarding the company hold for the employees concerned. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lin. In this case, the claimant, Mr. Suresh, you are being charged that the survey in Informational Technology Security Awareness Month being conducted by you was not in good faith. Do you feel guilty regarding this?
Thank you so much, Chairman, for giving me the floor to explain my case. So, as I have already introduced myself as the GITS officer in Hong Leong Bank, so the company was required to conduct a survey in the workplace by a survey by voting from all of the employees. So 8,153 employees were invited to participate in the survey for understand more about cybersecurity in the organization. And in the survey, only we got 59 responses for the first time, and 58 respondents voted for understood about the cybersecurity, but and only one voted for do not understand. So according to the company, I have requested the subordinate, the senior manager of IT, Kelvin, to prepare an update on the results of the survey to the Board of Information and Technology Committee. So here my case for the company is, I felt that I was dismissed on vague allegations of misconduct, and on 1st September 2020, I have learned for the first time through the company's letter that the allegation against me was for misrepresenting the company on successive occasions in regard to the survey data. So the company vaguely accused me of attempting to influence and mislead investigation with regards to a witness, which I never did. And the second thing is the company did not observe the basic rules of natural justice by convening a domestic inquiry in order to give me an opportunity to be heard. So I feel I'm not guilty at all, because I felt that it was a vague allegations of misconduct.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Suresh, for your point of view. So, attorney of Mr. Suresh, Ms. Akila, do you have anything to support Mr. Suresh?
Your Honor, as we proceed in this matter, it's crucial to address the reason behind the Mr. Suresh's termination. And the issue at hand is the absence of the clear evidence supporting the alleged misconduct, which directly contradict the protective provision in Section 20 in the Employment Act. And this section uphold the right of employees to be shielded from unjust dismissal, emphasizing the necessity for a careful and equitable examination of the fact. And moving forward, my aim is to highlight that Mr. Suresh dismissal lacked the necessary foundation, urging a reconsideration that align with the fairness and evidence-based decision-making principle ensuring in the Employment Act. And your thoughtful consideration in this regard is highly appreciated.
Thank you, Ms. Akila, for all the information provided. So, since the claimant, Mr. Suresh, is not feeling guilty, so representative from Hong Leong Bank Berhad, Mr. Sufi, do you have any evidence to show that what Mr. Suresh did was not in good faith?
Yes, sure. There are some evidence that I would like to point out here. First one is that the claimant, Mr. Suresh, had 231 fake survey respondents. And then he provided 3 conflicting versions of how these respondents were derived. And he falsely claimed to have solicited feedback from the manager. And he asked a colleague to lie about not understanding the cybersecurity materials. He also sent misleading emails to employees regarding the survey responses, which is why he violated the company code of conduct. And also this all caused the misrepresentation, affected the company's ability to assess the IT security awareness funds.
Thank you, Mr. Sufi, for all the evidence. Attorney of Hong Leong Bank Berhad, Mr. Lim, any law that you can find to support the evidence?
So, first and foremost, let me conclude the case for the company. So I conclude that the company terminated the claimant employment, citing the misrepresentations of survey data relating to the IT security awareness month. So the claimant actions violate the company codes of conduct on the Personal Data Protection Act in 2010, Integrity of Records and Information, and Section 3, Subsection 1A of Civil Law Act in 1956, fiduciary duty, hindering the accurate assessment of the initiative effectiveness and concealing vital information. So, in the case of Syarikat Kenderaan Melayu Kelantan Sdn Berhad versus Transport Worker Union in 1990, misconduct was defined as a conduct seriously breaching a certain practice, and the employer should not be bound to continue the employment. So the company requests to roll up the survey again and all the manager population ranking N5 and above, which is amount to the 2,339 people, and this was not done by the claimants, but instead he had chosen to misrepresent to the company, referring to the new Bon Hyun versus Sungai Wang Plaza Sundaram Berhad, which is the landmark holding marriage Berhad in 2006. The court emphasized an employee's duty of obedience to lawful orders. So considering the evidence and acting in accordance with equity, good conscience, and the substantial merits under the Industry Relation Act 30 Section 5, the claimant misrepresentations amount to the serious misconduct, and it is termination with just cause leading to the dismissal of the claimant's case. So that's all for me. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Lim, for your explanation. Okay, both the defendant and claimant claim and defend for themselves. So I would like to ask for clarification from all the witnesses. So firstly, the senior manager of IT security.
Hello, I'm Kelvin. I'm a senior manager of IT security. I was tasked by the GITS to compile and present the survey result to the BITC. And from the first result, 8,153 employees were invited to participate in the survey by voting, and the survey got 59 responses, and 58 respondents voted for understood more about the cybersecurity, and 1 respondent voted to do not understand about the cybersecurity. And then I was directed by the claimant to alter the survey by removing the number of respondents and presenting only the statement 99% of respondents said that they have a better understanding. So that's my explanation.
Thank you, Kelvin, for clarifying. So next, witness 2, Board of Information and Technology Committee, BITC.
Hello, I'm a member from the Board of Information and Technology Committee, BITC. So during the investigation, it was found that Mr. Suresh presented a survey data to the BITC for the IT Security Current Awareness Month. Then the BITC checked if this program works well, but they were worried about the data's reliability, and they questioned the result. They say that Mr. Suresh couldn't prove the information that he gave them, and this uncertainty about the data and his lack of evidence is a kind of important reasons to the company, which made the companies think that Mr. Suresh did something serious. Thank you.
Thank you, BITC. Next, witness 3, Business Unit Compliance Representative, BUCR.
Hello everyone, so I'm representative of BUCR. So I collaborated with Mr. Ramasamy on collecting a feedback. So we aim to ensure that the compliance with cyber security awareness in our business unit.
Thank you, BUCR. Okay, moving on to witness 4, representative from the Human Resource Department. Please provide your clarification.
Mr. Chairman, I'm Kevin, holding the position of Human Resources at the Hong Leong desk per hand. I testified to 2 incidents involving the claimant Suresh Ramasamy. Firstly, Mr. Suri attempt to mislead the HR department by soliciting a colleague to provide false information about their understanding of the cyber security materials in the survey. Secondly, post his entitled HR interview, Mr. Suresh sent email to colleague request the department although the list as the response related to the cyber security awareness. These incidents were discovered during our internal investment investigation, impacting the entirety of the process. I'm here to provide trustful and accurate information based on my knowledge, ready to respond to any question from the both legal parties at the court regarding this matters. Okay.
Thank you, representative from Human Resource Department. Moving on to the next witness, employee 1.
Hi, I'm Kayachi, one of the employee from Holyong Bank, and I was asked by the claimant to lie about the vote to give a good result for the survey.
Thank you, employee 1, for clarifying. Lastly, employee 2.
Okay, Mr. Rama, I'm Kevin Lin. The claimant requests that I give him a good circle for his survey so that he can have a good survey result.
Thank you, employee 2, for your explanation. So now I will conclude with what have been presented just now. So as for the claimant, he denied that he had called the colleagues to lie, and then he also denied he coaching the colleagues to what they say. And then as for the defendant claimed that the claimant had added 233 fake survey respondents, and then they also provide 3 competing versions of these respondents were derived, and then they also falsely claim that they have solicited feedback from a manager, and also the claimant has asked a colleague to lie about not understanding on cyber security, and then the claimant also sent misleading emails to the colleagues, and then violated the company's code of conduct, and also misrepresentation which affect the company's reputation. So here is the decision that we have made, is that the company has presented substantial evidence of what the claimant misconduct is having, and then the misrepresentation was considered a serious misconduct, and then the company justified the termination, and also the claimant's case was here dismissed. So the company terminated the claimant due to significant misrepresentation related to survey data, breaching the code of conduct, and also the court found that the company's claim was well supported and also leading to dismissal of the claimant case. So thank you everyone for your time and effort. We shall dismiss now. Thank you.